How you going, guys? Just Nork at Plazmaman here. This room is the sanding room where we do all our preparation work. Obviously you got your linishes, all our grinders and our sanders and everything. This is where we do all the prep work for the cores. They come to us raw like that, and we get them to the finish that we want. We have to take off all the flux on the sides before welding and clean everything up completely, blow it out so there's no little chips or dirt or anything in there. Here we've got the main fabrication section where we do all of our fabrication. Everything is done in-house, all our welding, all our cores are up there, thousands of cores kept in stock. All our inlet manifold bases, all on this section. We got our guillotine, we have our press, and just half prepped intercoolers down here. We're just starting to get our stock together. It's very difficult. Up until now, we've sort of just been doing just built to order sort of thing. We're just trying to keep up. This is the main table where we do most of our cleaning for our products. We do all our forming in-house through a machine that we custom engineered in-house as well, built here as well. As far as we know, it's the only one of its kind in the world. We take a lot of care and effort to be able to get an even distribution of the thickness throughout the whole dome, no thinning out. Yeah, and all our welding is done here as well. We use EWM, some of the best welders in the world. Basically try and get the best finish we can. We have all our welders in this section, this area here. We have currently 5 welders, full-time welders. We have another 3 part-time welders, or people that can weld if we do need them. Obviously got the EWM there, the Fronius is out the back. So basically after it's tacked up, fully welded, checked for pinholes or anything like that. We checked that all the fins are straight, all the tubes, there's no damage to the tubes. After that, we pressure test it, make sure that there's no leaks or holes, and then totally clean it, wipe it inside out. And then after this, just say this one is polished, we will tape it up, it'll go next door, and then the guys at dispatch will do the final polish on it, get it completely Mickey Mouse, and send it away to you guys.